Hey guys, it's your girl Boulevard Fox. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, you can find fashion, lifestyle, and beauty here on my channel. And if you're an OG, just welcome back. Today I am doing an apartment tour. I just moved and I am so excited to show y'all my new digs. If you didn't check out my current or last apartment, I will tag it up here in the cards. Up here, what are these sides? In the cards, but that's old news. Here's a new apartment tour. Let's go. So once you walk in the front door, this is nice small foyer. A coat closet here. Nice little coat closet. The water heater room right across from it. And then we enter into the guest bathroom. The bathrooms are one of my favorite parts of this apartment. This large mirror, you gotta love it. Double vanity. Some storage above the commode and this shower. This walk-in shower is to die for. And then let's travel into the guest bedroom. Small and cozy. Don't want them to stay for too long. And the guest closet here. Nice size guest closet. And also in this hallway, we have the side-by-side washer and dryer and some storage above it. Into the great room, living room, kitchen. Love the size of this island. I love the windows. Starting here, we have a pantry. Pantry, gas stove, a must-have. Stainless steel appliances. Wine cellar or wine fridge. Dishwasher, also must-haves. What is that? Oh. Oh, is that the... Wait, what? Is that water? I don't know. Did that just squirt water? It did. Okay. That's gonna be a little mess. The master corridor. Okay, bitch, master corridor. It's the bedroom, decent size, not too big, not too small. The master bath. Big, beautiful mirror. I love the black faucet. And then the nice big walk-in closet with the French doors, okay. And then we have a linen closet here. Child, that's it.